What's up everyone, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today I'll be taking you around this Audi R8 V10 Plus and we're going to take it on the Autobahn. Just as a sort of a baseline test, because this is the car of Klaassen Motors, and some of you may know we drove an Audi RS6 by Klaassen Motors a couple of weeks ago with 1000 horsepower, and well, this is their next project. They are going to develop a twin turbo kit for this R8, and we haven't driven a stock R8 on the Autobahn, so we asked him if we could take this one, and well, obviously he said yes. So here we are in a very nice spec, I have to say. It's a matte dark gray, really lovely, especially in combination with those 20-inch black wheels. Audi ceramic brakes as well, a lot of carbon fiber, so the spoiler, the side blades, the mirror caps, the front lip, and well, there's the license plate, so you can see V10, very cool. And this car just looks so cool without a license plate. I mean, that front end is lovely to look at. What else? We've got the performance exhaust, so for a bit better sound, and this car actually has a KW V4 suspension. So let me just get on the floor. You can see the adjustable suspension there. Behind those knobs are the oil reservoirs, and it actually has a low speed and a high speed adjustability, so you can sort of, this is the low speed adjustability and this is the high speed, so you can adjust that quite well actually. So obviously 5.2 liter V10 right here. That looks nice as ever. 610 horsepower. They put it on the dyno and it actually generates 611. So we've got one bonus horsepower. 560 Newton meters of torque. Yep. And in here, well, we've got more carbon fiber. And let me just say, the seating position in this car is not ideal. Of course, I'm very tall, but these seats are, they are just quite high. You can't really go far, you can't go that far back. No, it's not that great, but that can't, you know, spoil the fun. I'll just open the door for the startup sound. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Woo! This just never gets dull. Alrighty, let's put it in drive. We'll use this button, the drive select, for dynamic mode. We actually also have a performance mode, so I'll use that later on. And we will put the ESP in sport mode, so we have launch control. Oh, that is violent. So 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 3.2 seconds. Man, that's quick. That's 260 already, holy moly. 288, 294. 3.3, oh wow. And it just keeps going. Woo! I think that was 321. Nice. So this car stock is already so quick, so violent, just so exciting that, you know, putting a twin turbo kit on this is just mental and freaking awesome. So this is the quintessential supercar. It's mid-engined. You've got that lovely. It's quite small, it's nimble. Of course it has that quattro all-wheel drive system. It can send up to 100% of the power to either axle. It also has a limited slip differential in the rear. I mean, this car does not feel like an all-wheel drive supercar. It just feels like a rear-wheel drive car until, you know, the going gets tough and the conditions aren't ideal. So this is a great base car to do a twin turbo conversion with, because of that four-wheel drive system. You know, it can handle a lot more power than a rear-wheel drive car. All right, let's put it in performance mode. Oh, you can really feel that at 6,500 RPM it delivers maximum torque. That's when you get that first shove in your back, and peak power is at 8,250 RPM, but it will go on to the red line at 8,700. So, you know, that's when it starts really howling, and oh, it's just lovely. All right, little run back to the gas station. Mode, I get these shifting lights. It blinks red and I can just look at the road, and in the corner of my eye I can see that the light starts flashing. Now that's really great. That KW suspension is actually really nice as well. But you know, that twin turbo kit that's coming, it's going to take a few months, but then we'll drive it again with twin turbo kit, which should deliver around 850 horsepower in the German mode, and the export version will easily deliver 1000 horsepower. But you know, this character of this naturally aspirated engine, that howling through the revs, through the gears, it's the opera of the gods. I really hope that this character doesn't, you know, disappear when you put a twin turbo kit on it, but we'll see. I'm really looking forward to driving that one, because that RX6 from a couple of weeks ago by Klassen Motors was absolutely ridiculous, and that conversion was so well done that, yeah, this is going to be epic, guys. Stay tuned for the twin turbo R8 in a couple of months. Thanks for watching. I'm going to end it here. We're back at the gas station, and well, you can subscribe by clicking on the button right here. You can check out this POV review of the Klassen RS6 with 1000 horsepower, and you can check out this POV reviews playlist. Thanks, guys. See you at the next one. Bye.